Hello and welcome to today's segment of Tuesday Seeds with hurricane season coming up very soon here. We're going to give you some tips and insights on how to prepare. So please stay tuned.
Hurricane season officially starts June 1st. USDA has programs to help you recover from disasters, but before disaster strikes, here are some tips for preparing to protect your family and your farm or ranch. Develop an emergency plan, including meeting points, emergency contact lists, and alternate evacuation routes. Secure important records and documents. Inventory farm buildings, vehicles, equipment, and livestock before a disaster occurs. Take photos, videos, or make written lists with descriptions. Know your insurance options. Review insurance policies with your agent to ensure adequate coverage, including flood insurance. Gather supplies such as drinking water, canned food, a flashlight, batteries, and fuel. Download the FEMA app on your smartphone for safety tips on what to do before, during, and after disasters. And subscribe to USDA's text message and email service to receive important recovery information from your local USDA service center. For more on USDA disaster assistance, visit www.farmers.gov/hurricane.